Are you eating healthy, watching your carbs, walking daily, yet your blood sugar is still high? You might be making one of these 5 mistakes that secretly blocks your diabetes reversal and no one is talking about them. Stick around till the end because mistake number 5 is the one that even doctors miss. Mistake number 1, you're still eating healthy processed foods. Granola bars, protein shakes, keto-friendly cookies, they look healthy. The label says low carb or 0 sugar or high protein, but inside most of them, they are filled with ultra-processed foods or ingredients that might increase your blood sugar or increase your insulin resistance. For example, a lot of keto-friendly cookies are high in saturated fat, and a high saturated fat diet is one of the biggest contributors to insulin resistance, or there's a lot of refined sugars in granola bars as well. So swap these out for real whole foods, things like black beans, lentils, berries, taro, yucca, and greens. Your pancreas loves simplicity. The less processed, the better your insulin sensitivity. Mistake number 2, you're skipping meals and eating too little. I know it sounds logical, right? Eat less, lose weight, lower blood sugar, but skipping meal or drastically cutting calories actually stresses your body. In some cases, it may even raise your cortisol, which raises your blood sugar, especially if your body thinks it's in starvation mode. Eating balanced, fiber-rich meals with the right amount of protein and slow digesting carbs every 4 to 5 hours is going to help you stabilize your blood sugars and keep your body in a rhythm. Mistake number 3, you're walking but not building muscles. Yes, walking is amazing after meals, keep doing that. But if you're also not building muscle, you are missing out one of the best blood sugar tools out there. Muscle is like a sponge. It soaks up extra sugar from your bloodstream. So add resistance or strength training 2 to 3 times a week. That could mean squats, push-ups, weightlifting, resistance bands, and you don't necessarily need a gym, you just need consistency. Mistake number 4, you're not eating in the right order. This one blows people's minds. Did you know the order you eat your food matters when it comes to your post-meal blood sugar? Start with non-starchy vegetables, then move on to protein. At last, make sure you eat your starches, and this order can significantly lower your post-meal blood sugar because you have the fiber, you have the protein to slow down glucose absorption. Scientists have found that this significantly impacts people's blood sugar, so make sure you employ this rule. And mistake number 5, you never got a C-peptide test. This one is rarely discussed, but absolutely critical. And a lot of doctors actually miss this or don't even talk about this test, but it's crucial because if you have type 2 diabetes, especially if you've had it for a long time, there could be a chance that your body stops producing insulin because you've overworked the pancreas. So taking a C-peptide test will allow the doctor to know whether you are still producing insulin or not, so make sure you ask your doctor about it. And if your levels are low, you might need a different plan. And if your levels are normal or high, that means we can still reverse your type 2 diabetes and reverse your insulin resistance. But if it's low, don't worry, we can still improve your insulin sensitivity so that you have better insulin ratio. If this has helped you, click the like button so more people can see it too. And if you want a step-by-step system to reverse insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes, join my Reversing Diabetes program. Book a call with us. Link is in the description below, and make sure you subscribe for more videos like this every single day.